Are you worried about market volatility and its impact on your 401k retirement savings? Are market changes leaving you anxious about your retirement funds? In this video, you'll learn about the ultimate retirement hack that combines principal protection from the market, growth potential, tax deferral, and a guaranteed lifetime income. You won't lose money in a market crash, and you won't outlive your savings. Stop stressing about your financial security. Tune in to learn how to make informed decisions and take control of your 401k during uncertain times. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. What if you could get all the gains from the S&P 500, but if the market crashes, you lose literally nothing? It sounds completely insane, but this isn't some fantasy investment. It's a powerful retirement hack that thousands of people are using right now to protect their money while letting it grow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this retirement cheat code works and how you could use it to build a stream of income that you can never outlive. Let's do this. Before we get to the solution, we have to talk about one of the biggest dangers for retirees. This thing can literally destroy your entire life savings. It's called sequence of returns risk. It sounds complicated, but it's a super simple and devastating idea. It's not if the market goes down, it's when it goes down that can either save or completely wreck your retirement. Let me tell you a story. It's a challenge between two retirees. We'll call them Bob and Dave. Bob and Dave did everything right. They saved like crazy and both retired with a $1 million nest egg. They were going to withdraw just $45,000 a year. Their investments were identical. The only difference, their start date. Bob retired at the start of 2007. In his first year, the market dropped. Then, in 2008, it completely crashed. To get his $45,000, Bob had to sell his investments when they were worth almost nothing. He was selling way more for way less, which permanently crippled his account. Even when the market came back, his portfolio was so destroyed for those first couple years that it never recovered. He had to completely change his lifestyle and was terrified of running out of money. Now, look at Dave. He retired just a few years later with the exact same $1 million. But in his first few years, the market went up. His money was actually growing even while he was taking withdrawals. When the market finally crashed years later, his portfolio was so big it didn't even matter. Dave's timing was perfect, and he is living an insane retirement. They had the same money, the same plan, the same average returns. The only difference was the sequence of those returns. A bad year can completely wipe you out because you have no time to recover. Bob was a victim of sequence of returns risk, a risk that's completely out of your control in a normal 401k or IRA. So, how could Bob have saved himself? How could he have dodged that insane market crash without just hiding his money under a mattress and letting inflation eat it? This is where the hack comes in. Picture a chart of the S&P 500. It's just a series of crazy peaks and terrifying drops. Your 401k is strapped to that insane roller coaster. When it goes up, you feel like a genius. When it drops, your retirement dreams drop with it. Now, imagine a different line on that chart. When the market goes up, this new line goes up too, capturing a chunk of that growth. But when the market crashes, something incredible happens. This new line just goes completely flat. It doesn't go down at all. It literally hits a floor, waits for the crash to be over, and then starts climbing again from that new higher spot. This is your zero is the hero concept. In years the market loses money, you don't lose anything. You just get a zero. Zero. And the best part is, any interest you earned in the good years is locked in and can never be taken away by a future crash. This creates this awesome stair step growth. You go up, you go flat. You go up, you go flat. Constantly building your money without those terrifying drops. So, what is this thing? This retirement hack is a fixed indexed annuity, or an FIA. An FIA is basically a contract you make with an insurance company for your retirement money. You're not actually in the stock market, which is why your money is safe from crashes. Instead, the interest you get is linked to a market index like the S&P 500. Let's break down the insane features of an FIA. First, you cannot lose money from the market. This is that zero is your hero floor. Your money is completely shielded from market crashes. If the index drops 20%, you lose nothing. Your account value just stays the same. This feature alone crushes the sequence of returns risk that destroyed Bob. Second is the chance for big growth. When the index does well, you get interest. This gives you the chance to make way more than other safe money things like CDs, which basically lose to inflation. An FIA gives you a shot at higher returns without the insane risk of being in the market. Third, there's tax deferred growth. Just like the 401k, the money in your FIA grows tax deferred. You don't pay any taxes on your gains until you take the money out, which helps your money grow way faster. And fourth, this is the craziest part, guaranteed life income. This is where an FIA goes from a savings account to your own personal pension. You can literally turn on a switch and get a paycheck that you are contractually guaranteed to receive for the rest of your life, even if you live to be 150. This guarantee is backed by the insurance company that issues the contract. You combine these four things: zero market risk, growth potential, tax deferral, and a guaranteed lifetime paycheck, and you get a tool that attacks the two biggest fears of every retiree: losing all their money and outliving their savings. I know what you're thinking. Getting market gains with no downside from the market and a paycheck for life sounds way good to be true. And you're right to think that. There's no free lunch. To get that guarantee you will never lose money from the market, you have to trade something. And the biggest trade off is your upside limit. You don't get 100% of the market's gains. The insurance company uses things like caps or participation rates to limit how much you can make in 1 year. For example, if there is an 8% cap and the S&P 500 goes up to 15%, you'd be capped at 8%. If the market goes up to 5%, you get 5%. And if it goes down 10%, remember, you get zero. You're trading away the chance to hit a grand slam so that you never strike out. Second, FIAs are for the long run. They have surrender charge periods, usually 5 to 10 years. If you pull out too much money during that time, you'll pay a penalty, and that could make you lose money. So this isn't your emergency fund. This is your long-term retirement money. Fixed indexed annuity contracts can be complicated, so it's important to have a professional show you exactly how it works before you sign anything. It's important to understand the trade-offs. You're giving up some huge gains and instant access to your cash in exchange for never losing your principal and having total peace of mind. Okay, let's wrap this up. The world is crazy. For anyone near or in retirement, a market crash at the wrong time The sequence of returns risk is a giant threat that can destroy everything you've worked for. A 401k leaves you totally exposed. A CD is safe, but it pays so little that you're basically losing money to inflation. A fixed indexed annuity gives you an incredible third option. It's this unique mix of safety and growth. It lets you get some of the market gains while completely protecting your money from any market loss. Your money grows without taxes, and you can even turn it into a guaranteed paycheck for life. If protecting your money while still letting it grow sounds interesting, and if you want to see if this strategy is right for you, go to KarenKidd.com to schedule a totally free 10-minute discovery call with my team. We'll look into your situation and help you figure out what to do next.